we're good to go.
Okay.
Over to you, Mr. Henry.
So my name is Henry Panukuba. I'm a senior fellow and full-time faculty at Lagos Business School. I teach human resource management and organizational behavior.
So why did you decide to come on the GIS certification course?
Yeah, it's going to help me in my interaction with my students at the Lagos Business School. I teach a lot of owner managers, and I also teach MBAs. So I believe the knowledge is going to help in enriching the content of my teaching. And also personally, I also need it in my other job as a marriage counselor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can actually use it in a personal as well as a business context as well.
Fantastic, yes.
I wanted to find out what are the things that have come out of doing the GIS certification. So what other areas of HR practice, for instance, would you see this adding value to?
Yeah, we could use, I've found out that we could use DISC in recruitment, in somebody deciding what kind of job fits a new recruit. You could also use DISC in team building, okay, in area of communication, in area of relating. You could also use DISC in leadership positions, so you have a manager or a director trying to relate better with his colleagues. Outside work, you could also use DISC in area of family relationship, parenting, husband and wife, trying to understand and communicate better with their children. So it's really a varied area of usage.
Absolutely. Now I was going to ask that, would you recommend this, and what sort of people would you recommend it to?
Definitely I would recommend it. The past 5 days have been very enlightening for me, so it's something that I think a good number of people should be aware of. So I would recommend this to my colleagues, especially those that are in the same HR space. I'm also going to recommend it to my other colleagues who are in leadership positions. I will recommend it to my HR team in case they are looking at an organizational-wide study. I will recommend it to other HR practitioners. I will recommend it to those who are also involved in marriage counseling. So it's a good software.
Thank you. And so finally, what key, in terms of personally, what are you taking out of this as you leave this room today?
First, I'm very happy that the DISC was able to capture me accurately. So first, it's like a validation of who I am. Secondly, I've also, from what I've learned, understood who my wife is, so I'm going to be a better husband.
Great.
I'm a better father, having known who I am and who she is. And I'm going to relate better also with my colleagues in the office. So I think I've been enriched really by what I've learned.
Thank you so much, and wishing you all the best for the future as well.
Thank you. Thank you.